Yo, what's up, guys? Hope you're good. I have updates too. Like I said yesterday, that I'll be getting myself another account. So, we'll start trading it today and see how much we're gonna make. And because they have 3 minimum trading days, and on phase one, and also on phase two, and also they allow you to trade the same day. You can pass your phase two today, and then you're gonna be funded again today, and you're gonna start trading the same day you passed your phase two. So let's start the journey with me. DM me, and then I'll help you get started. Together we can make huge payouts.